We are repainting a two-story condo. We have already pressure clean, seal caulk, and patch, as you see, completely. We do professional work here at Watson Painting and Waterproofing. Mask all the windows completely. Now we have painted all the ceilings. And you see all the windows are covered. We're going to be doing all the floors, the total building. We're going to be doing the pool deck also. Call us for any job that you may have here at Watson Painting. You could reach Barrington and his sale at 954-650-0488. We'll be happy to serve you. A totally beautiful job, and will be all completed. Thank you, and you make this day a great one.